Hi, it's Regina with Eat Travel Life, and we are day 8, I think, on our vacation, and ran out of laundry yesterday, so we had to find a place to get our laundry done. And I looked online, and there's a lot of places you can go and have a service done. I spent about an hour looking for where we could get our laundry done, and I came across something called Revolution Laundrette, I believe is the name of it. And what it is like a kiosk where you can go and get your laundry done. And this one happens to be at a gas station. So I want to show you, it's outside, but it's kind of cool, and it's pretty quick, and they can do an SMS text to you and let you know when it's done. So you can go and do something and then come back. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like inside it, but if you were to look at it from the road, you might see that it looks like this. Just a little thing. This one's attached to a gas station, like I said, and so it's 24/7, so you can come whenever you want. We got it drying right now, and this one's in Ireland, so it tells you how much it costs for each one. And they've got a big loader, which is 18, I keep calling it kegs, and then a huge dryer. And if you just have a small load, you can use that one, and it's 4 pounds. And how you get started is you just use the touch screen here and tell it what you want it to do. It does accept coins, or you can use your credit card. And it took us about 30 minutes, I think, for our wash to dry, or to wash itself. It comes with soap, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can pay extra if you want to have fabric softener. That was about 2 pounds more. But it does everything for you, and then when it's done, you go over here to the dryer, and then you can select, you will go over there and pay, and then you come over here and select your temperature. It only takes about 15 minutes to dry. You can tell it you want it to dry quicker or longer, but because this is it feels like it's a high efficiency washer, it didn't take very long for things to it spun it out really well. And then when I took them out, felt like they were almost dry. So hopefully 15 minutes will do it for us. But I would definitely look it up. They're all over Ireland, and we were able to walk around town and see a lot of different things, and shop at the gas station and get some treats too. So check it out, and I would definitely look at using something like this if you need to have laundry done, and there are a plethora of them to go to.